safeguarding our sanctuaries, a new era in home security, home, a sanctuary, a place of refuge. For millennia, we've fortified our dwellings against threats. Today, the spirit remains, but the tools have transformed. Gone are the days of simple locks and keys. We are in an era of intelligent, interconnected security systems. Imagine this. A network of sensors stands guard, invisible yet vigilant. Smart cameras analyze and interpret, distinguishing friend from foe. This is the reality of modern home security, a symphony of technology working in concert to provide peace of mind. But it's not just about deterring intruders. Modern systems offer much more. They can detect fires, monitor for environmental hazards, and even provide a watchful eye on loved ones. These advancements empower us to be proactive, not reactive, in safeguarding our homes and those within. This new era of home security is not about replacing human vigilance, it's about amplifying it. By harnessing the power of technology, we create safer spaces for ourselves, our families, and our cherished possessions.
Beyond the lens, the rise of intelligent home surveillance. Traditionally, security cameras were passive observers, recording events but offering little in the way of interaction. Today, smart cameras have revolutionized home surveillance. Armed with artificial intelligence, they've transcended their predecessors, becoming active participants in our home's defense. Imagine this. Your smart camera detects an unfamiliar face approaching your door. It doesn't just record, it analyzes. It cross-references the face with known individuals and previous visitors. If the person appears suspicious, it alerts you in real time, sending a notification to your smartphone. But it goes beyond facial recognition. Smart cameras can now differentiate between a harmless delivery person and a potential intruder. They can even recognize the difference between the playful bark of your dog and the alarming sound of breaking glass. This sophisticated analysis allows for personalized security, minimizing false alarms, and ensuring that you're only alerted when truly necessary. The future of home surveillance is intelligent, proactive, and constantly evolving to meet the demands of a changing world.
A symphony of sensors detecting threats before they breach. In home security, knowledge is power. Advanced sensors are the unsung heroes of protection systems. These devices act as our home's nervous systems. Motion sensors have become incredibly sophisticated. They can differentiate between human and pet heat signatures. Door and window sensors provide an additional layer of protection. They detect unauthorized entry, sending alerts to your smartphone. Smoke, carbon monoxide, and flood sensors safeguard our homes. These devices create a comprehensive web of protection.
The connected home, integrating security for a seamless experience. Our homes are evolving into smart ecosystems, where devices communicate and collaborate. At the heart of this transformation lies the seamless integration of home security with smart home platforms. Imagine this. You're away and your smart security system detects suspicious activity. It activates other smart devices to deter the potential intruder. Lights turn on, the sound system blasts an alarm, and the blinds lower. This interconnectedness simplifies our lives while enhancing our safety.
Section 5. The Guardian's Dilemma: Balancing Security with Privacy. As our homes become smarter and more connected, a crucial question emerges. How do we balance the benefits of advanced security with the importance of privacy? It's a delicate tightrope walk, but one that we must navigate thoughtfully. On one hand, smart cameras and sensors provide invaluable protection. They can deter crime, provide evidence in case of an incident, and even offer remote monitoring capabilities. But these benefits come with a trade-off: the potential compromise of our privacy. The key lies in transparency and control. Reputable security providers prioritize data encryption and offer clear guidelines on how your information is collected, stored, and used. They empower you with granular control over your privacy settings, allowing you to customize what data is shared and how it's accessed. Moreover, it's crucial to choose devices from trusted manufacturers with a strong track record of data security. Look for companies that prioritize regular software updates, vulnerability patching, and two-factor authentication to safeguard your information.
Section 6. Navigating the labyrinth, choosing your security champion. With a dizzying array of options available, selecting the right residential security system can feel like navigating a labyrinth, but fear not, for with a little guidance, you can find the perfect guardian for your home and loved ones. The first step, assess your needs. Do you live in a high-crime area or a quiet neighborhood? Do you have pets that might trigger false alarms? The answers to these questions will guide you towards the appropriate level of security. Next, consider your budget. Home security systems range from DIY kits to professionally installed and monitored solutions. Determine how much you're comfortable spending, keeping in mind that investing in your peace of mind is always worthwhile. Don't underestimate the importance of research. Read online reviews, seek recommendations from friends and family, and compare features and pricing from different providers. Look for companies that offer transparent contracts, reliable customer support, and a proven track record.
Real-life Guardians' stories of protection and peace of mind. The true measure of any security system lies in its ability to protect what matters most. Countless stories stand as testaments to the life-changing power of these technological guardians. An elderly couple was awakened by their smoke detectors. Their smart security system alerted the fire department, saving their lives and home. A single mother found solace in her smart security cameras while at work. She could check in on her children remotely, ensuring their safety. Home security systems are silent sentinels, standing guard 24/7. They provide protection, instill security, and empower us with peace of mind.
Section 8. Beyond the horizon, the ever-evolving landscape of home security. The world of technology is a relentless river, constantly flowing, always changing, and the realm of home security is no exception. As we stand on the precipice of the future, it's both exhilarating and essential to explore the advancements that lie beyond the horizon. Imagine a world where your home security system anticipates threats before they even materialize. Artificial intelligence and predictive analytics are poised to revolutionize the industry, enabling systems to learn from past events, identify patterns, and proactively adjust their security protocols. The rise of 5G and the Internet of Things, or IoT, will usher in an era of hyperconnectivity. Our homes will become intricate webs of interconnected devices, all communicating seamlessly to enhance our safety and well-being. But as technology advances, so too must our understanding of its implications. We must approach these advancements with both enthusiasm and a healthy dose of skepticism, ensuring that we harness their power responsibly and ethically. Section 9. The human element, empowering vigilance through technology. In the tapestry of home security, technology plays a vital role, but it's not the whole story. The human element remains paramount, an irreplaceable thread that weaves together the fabric of protection. Technology can provide us with the tools, but it's our awareness, our vigilance, and our proactive approach that truly make the difference. Smart security systems act as our allies, our eyes and ears, but they cannot replace the importance of human intuition and common sense. We must remain vigilant in our daily lives, practicing good security hygiene such as locking doors and windows, being mindful of our surroundings, and reporting any suspicious activity. We must also educate ourselves and our families about the importance of online safety, protecting our digital identities as diligently as we protect our physical spaces. By embracing both the power of technology and the importance of human vigilance, we create a formidable defense, one that safeguards our homes, our loved ones, and our peace of mind. Section 10. A future secured, embracing the promise of smart home protection. As we venture further into the 21st century, the concept of home transforms. It's no longer just a physical space, it's an extension of ourselves, a reflection of our values and aspirations. And in this evolving paradigm, the need for intelligent, adaptable security becomes paramount. Smart home protection is not about living in a state of fear or paranoia. It's about embracing the potential of technology to enhance our lives, to create spaces where we feel safe, secure, and empowered. It's about leveraging the interconnectedness of our devices to simplify our daily routines while simultaneously bolstering our defenses. The future of home security is bright, filled with the promise of proactive protection, personalized experiences, and a seamless integration of technology into the very fabric of our homes. As we embrace these advancements, we must do so responsibly, thoughtfully, and always with a focus on the human element that lies at the heart of it all. Section 11. Our collective responsibility, fostering a safer world, one home at a time. Our homes are individual threads in the fabric of society. The safety of our communities depends on the security of our homes. Prioritizing home security contributes to a safer environment for everyone. By deterring crime, we make our neighborhoods more desirable. Smart connected homes play a vital role in community safety. Imagine homes sharing real-time data with law enforcement. The future of home security is about fostering a collective responsibility.